You first start by using some sort of tool to pry up the existing switch. These are just plastic tools I got at Amazon, and you can just go on both sides, and eventually it comes up real easy. Once it's up, you'll see there's just one connector on the back, and you could just squeeze the tab and it comes right up, and then you take the old one out. With the new one, you would do the same. You just do the reverse process. You plug it back in, and then you just seat it in, and it just snaps into place. Voila, all done. I'll provide a link below to the part I purchased off of Amazon. Thank you.